everyone. I'm just going to go into Canvas to show you, first of all, when I bring up your class and then click on Files. And if you, oh, I'm in the wrong class, dear me. It's English Foundations I want. Again, go to Files. You can see there's the booklet, there's another booklet, there's all the pictures that are in the booklet. Here is Abby Jean's picture book analysis example, so the completed example. Here is I Am Thomas, so that's the picture book. Down here is the picture book analysis guide that you can fill in, but I've sent it to everyone. There's also a smaller version in the English Foundations booklet. Here is The Island by Armin Grieder, and then here is part 1 of the rabbits, here is part 2. So in case there's the completed example there, the picture book analysis guide there, one of the books, so I Am Thomas, here's The Island by Armin Grieder, here's the rabbits part 2, and there's part 1 of the rabbits. All right, now I'll just get out of that. And where did I put it? Should have had this opened up, but anyway. Here it comes. So, might make my screen a little smaller, but not much. There we go. So up here I'm just going to put the title. So, The Rabbits. Oh, damn it. The author, John Marsden and Sean Tan. I think that Sean Tan is the illustrator, but usually he writes stories as well. 1997 is when it was first published. Now, if you can't find the date your book was published, let me know. All right. So, what is the primary medium? I'll write over here. So, primary medium seems to be painted and then enhanced through a computer program. How does the media used to create their illustrations match the mood, tone, theme of the book? It's very colourful. Which draws the reader in. But the mood seems quite ominous. Um, the artist starts with a fairly peaceful image, and the reader, if they are Australian, can tell that it's the outback of Australia being depicted. On the first page, the reader can see a picture of red rocks, a serpent, iconic in I can't spell. So I think all of us know the story of the rainbow serpent, and a beautiful unpolluted blue sky with seagulls flying peacefully. The image on the first page is peaceful, but then the colours change when the rabbits arrive. Just one thing I want to say too is that when you're talking about actually the physical rabbits arriving, you don't capitalise it. But when you're talking about the title of the book or the title of a film, you capitalise. So the rabbits, when you're talking about the book, would be capital T, capital R. When you're just talking about the creatures, the rabbits who arrive in the book, you don't capitalise. See how it goes flying. No, what's wrong with that? Okay, hovering. Let's go hovering. And so already I've got so much information there just from the first page, which I don't think is, I mean, it sets the scene for this story because it tells you so much. So next, I'm going to run out of time. Okay, what can I see on the cover? I can see they're dressed in colonial, they're dressed in military outfit. Strange little creatures with pointy noses. Ah, they're rabbits. Strange little creatures that are rabbits. They are in military uniform and they don't look very friendly. At first, it's hard to tell what they are, but the author gives the reader some hints with the long ears. They are pointing to something and it appears to be a parody of the paintings we've seen about, no, not about, of Captain Cook. See what happens when I try to rush. Captain Cook discovering Australia. Okay, that's all I can put. I can put more, but I'm going to run out of time. So I've got 20 seconds left. So you then turn it over, look at the back page. What's written there? What can you see? It's a whole continent of rabbits, and they put a lot of really important information on the back cover. All right, I shall speak to you Friday in conference, and where we have English before lunch, so that'll be at 11.